Hey guys, Fatal here with another gun review. So today I have for you guys a really unique gun, the Umarex TAR-21. There's one very interesting thing about this gun that you might realize just by looking at it. The magazine of this gun is located behind the trigger. Traditionally speaking, the magazines of the guns are located in front of the trigger. With the magazine located behind the trigger, this gun is considered a bolt-up gun, meaning it feeds from behind the trigger as opposed to in front of it. This gun is also great because it takes M4 mags with no conversion kit needed. When you look at the gun, you'll see the nylon fiber reinforced polymer constructed body with our integrated flip-up front and rear sights. The TAR-21 also comes with a 300 round high capacity magazine. Now getting into the internal parts of the Umarex TAR-21, the Umarex TAR-21 comes standard with a full metal gearbox for added longevity. Because this gun is a bolt-up design, that means it has a longer inner barrel. The inner barrel of this gun measures in at approximately 510 millimeters. That's pretty long considering the entire length of this gun is only 755 millimeters. The longer inner barrel is great for added accuracy and long shots. The TAR-21 has a working bolt catch located on the left-hand side of the gun for easy hop-up accessibility and adjustments. Now let's get this gun out to the range and see what it can do. Wow, that was fun. So if you're looking for a gun that takes M4 mags but also has a unique style and look to it, look no further than the Umarex TAR-21.